Hi everyone, welcome back, welcome here, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying the season. So today's video is a fun activity which you can do with your friends and family over the holidays and make some lasting memories. So we basically went for a pottery workshop here in Bangalore. The place's name is Lahi Lahi and they host a variety of activities such as board games, dance and pottery. So if you're looking for a place to go and enjoy yourself with your family and friends, this might interest you. If you enjoyed this video, and I just want to mention that I'm not sponsored for this video. I just enjoyed myself with my friends over there and I decided to record it and share it with all of y'all, so that's what I did. And yeah, it's a nice place for you to have fun activity with your friends and family if you're interested. So I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, as always, live life and love life. I'll see you soon. Bye.